Good day, sir. I am Crystal Ann E. Bantugan, and in this video, I will be presenting a concept map about the basic concepts of ICT mentioned about educational technology and some related terms about educational technology. Also, I will be discussing the roles of ICT in teaching and learning. Concept map. According to Bruckner 2015, educational technology is the study and ethical practice of facilitating learning and improving performance by creating, using, and managing appropriate technological processes and resources. So technology is a helpful tool to help improve education. Through the use of technological tools, teachers can learn and discover new ways to deliver information towards learners. And learners also can learn to use technological tools and media to help them learn new concepts and skills. It will also help students to recognize that education is not merely found inside the four corners of the classroom. So let us learn more about educational technology in this concept map. Educational technology has 5 domains. First, we have the design. Design is a domain that focuses on establishing frameworks in planning educational technology. So as designers design educational technology, they will make it in a way that students can experience reality through the use of technology. So as designers design educational technology, they can generate new ideas on how to present information effectively towards learners. So the second domain, we have development. Development is a process of translating design specifications into physical forms. So it includes hardware, softwares, and other technological tools and media. Subcategories, we have print technologies, audiovisual technologies, computer-based technologies, and integrated technologies. So as developers develop educational technology, they should remember that educational technology must be anchored to the learning outcomes. Next domain, we have utilization. Utilization is the act of using processes and resources for learning. So educational technology will be utilized to help learners learn better. Teachers can utilize educational tools and media to assist in content delivery. Teachers can also introduce technological tools and guide learners to the use of these materials. Next domain, we have management. So this domain focuses on making sure that these other domains are well coordinated with each other. The last domain is evaluation. So this domain involves the activity to design measures to evaluate if the educational technology is efficient and effective. Here, the designers will know the weaknesses, the strengths, or the nature of the educational technology. So those were the 5 domains of educational technology. We have the design, development, utilization, management, and evaluation. Now after domain, we have here information and communication technology. Now a while ago, I made mention about educational technology as the study and practice of using technology to facilitate learning. Now when we say ICT, it is the totality of electric means to collect, store, process, and present information. So ICT is integrated in education to help enhance teaching and learning. So teachers can employ different strategies and integrate the use of technology in teaching. That way the loads of teachers will be lessened because technology will serve as their partners in content delivery and as well as in evaluating the performance of the learners. It will also help make teaching efficient and interactive because through the use of technology, teachers can create environment where students can work together and learn new things. Roles of ICT in teaching and learning. Technology as tools to support knowledge construction. Technology can support knowledge construction in many ways. That is why it is a helpful tool to improve education. Through the use of technology, teachers can organize the information that will be presented to learners. That way, students can also organize the information in their head as they construct new knowledge. Technology is also helpful in representing ideas of students. Technology as information vehicles for exploring knowledge to support learning by constructing. So technology serves as info vehicles because it helps students to access new information. And in the classroom setting, the use of technology also creates an environment that encourages students to work together, collaborate with each other, and construct new knowledge. Technology as context to support learning by doing. Through the help of technology, students can learn through virtual environment where they can get to experience real-life situations and simulate meaningful real-based problems. Since technology can be a representation of reality, students can learn through virtual experiences. The utilization of different technological tools will also guide students to learn new information and at the same time possess technological skills. Technology as social medium to support learning by conversing. Through different social media platforms, students can have virtual interaction with other people. There, they will learn as they communicate with the other members of the community. Technology as intellectual partner to support learning by reflecting. Technology guides students' reflection process. It helps students to reflect on what they know and how were they able to construct knowledge. So there are a lot of technological tools, media, and different software which give students the freedom to access information. That first-hand experiences of learners let students to reflect on their constructed knowledge. It will also help students to construct their personal representation of what they know. Technology as avenue to prepare the current generation of students for a workplace. As teachers make use of technology in teaching, they are also helping students to become technologically skilled individuals. This skill of learners will be of great use as they work in the future, especially that we are already in the modern day living where technology is already a huge part of our lives. The integration of ICT in education is like hitting many birds with one stone, because as teachers use technology in teaching, they are not just helping students to learn new concepts. It will also be a good avenue for students to learn the use of technology. That will help them to become technologically competent. Also, the use of technology will not just help learners. It will also be beneficial for teachers as it will help them to think and use new ways or approaches to deliver information towards learners. So ICT has a lot to offer, especially in the field of education. All we need to do is to appreciate its uses, minimize its adverse effects, educate ourselves, and learn from each other.